And by now, gates open, they're up and racing. Kidlat draws for your lead, moving up in between runners is Lasting Rose, running by the lap. Town Girl then racing in for the outside. Rivers of Gold, Arazir down on the inside. Lambing Pinay Camora, Mystic Melody moving up on the outside. Then running second last is entry number 8, Shine Again, and trailing the group is Silent Power past the half-mile pole. Up Town Girl moving up on the outside, Lasting Rose. Then moving up on the outside is 1A Kidlat. Lambing Pinay now catching the third spot as they turn to the final 450. Kidlat, Lasting Rose by the rail. Lambing Pinay now closing in third as they turn for home. Kidlat, Lasting Rose by the rail. Then comes Lambing Pinay, Mystic Melody. And down the stretch they come. Kidlat, Lasting Rose remains in second. Lambing Pinay, Rivers of Gold with 100 to go. Jackie Jesse Basilio Guse on Kidlat, winning race number 3. Second, Lasting Rose, Rivers of Gold, Camora, Lambing Pinay, Mystic Melody, Arazir, Uptown Girl. Then comes number 7, Silent Power, and Shine Again.